Assalamualaikum. Hi. Today we will be deploying our graphical user interface in our Webswing. So let's take a look at the rubric first. So we have to create 5 correct GUI using RIA. So this is my GUI that I have created. So we have 4 menu box here. So this is my first GUI. And this is my second GUI. This is my third GUI. This is my fourth GUI. And this is the last GUI. Alright. So let's take a look at second criteria. So Webswing will be set up at public server, and that RIA GUI that I have created will be correctly displayed in that. So in the browser. So let's take a look at what is actually Webswing. So as usual, we have to copy our public IP address in Putty. Okay, we hope that Putty doesn't make problem here. Okay, so we have done, we can look at this. Okay, we have done install JDK11 as long as XVFB, and we have download Webswing, unzip Webswing, and all this we have done before. But now we have to run Webswing. So how to run Webswing? So that is the command. But first we have to know the location. So this is the one, Webswing. We have to go into root. Okay. So let's start. Oh, sorry. Yep. So this one. Okay. Before this, it says that there is no permission. It is because we haven't changed the mode yet. So we have done this command, change mode 777 or +X, and the name of the file. So we have done it. That is because the color has changed. So let's just run the Webswing admin. Okay. Oh, sorry. Start. Okay, and it says that Webswing is already running with PID 2868229. PID is the process ID. So we can look at the status. Okay. Alright. In here, HTTP yep, this one. Okay. Okay, so the default username is admin and the default password is pwd. Okay, so this is the first interface. Okay, we can go to manage. Okay, so in here we will do a lot of we will change something to make our GUI that I created to be deployed, to be displayed in the browser. So let's start with the first thing. If you want to change our password, we go to server config and the security and this one. But for now, we just focus on how to deploy the GUI in the Webswing. So the next process or the next steps, we will just follow these steps. Alright, if we want to add the jar file that I've created earlier, we have to go to applications and this one, create new. Okay, after we create new, just enter a name. It is what we want to tell the. As an example, if I name it as GUI football, so it will be 8080/GUI football. So let's give the name GUI football. Okay. It is not running yet. It is in yellow color. So we go to the GUI football, and this is he asks us to know where is the location where we want to put the GUI football, but let's go to the tiny file manager that in the previous assignment or previous project. So we go to the tiny file manager.php. So okay, tiny file manager. Okay, alright, actually I forgot the password, but I think I remember it yet by looking at the previous video. So okay, Alhamdulillah. So let's upload. Save yes, please. Alright, so let's upload our jar file, the GUI that I have created before. We can create new folder. So let's the web design RIA. Okay, create now. So this is the folder. Let's dive into the folder. Okay, folder is empty. Upload. Okay. This is GUI football. Yes, that one. Open. Alright, it has been uploaded, so we can go back and see. Okay, that one is our GUI. But however, we have to know the location of this file. Let's go to our Putty. Okay, so it is actually in CD. Okay. So that one. This is our file. Okay, so ls design RIA. Okay, so this is our file, but it is better to copy this one. Sorry, cd design RIA. Okay. Okay, so that is our file. So it is better to copy this one. Okay. Okay. So in this part, we have to put our location of the jar file. Yes. Then apply. Okay. Next, if we want to don't want the login phase or don't want login username and password, so in this part we have to change to none, so there will be no login thing, username or password. Just dive into the jar file. So basically for the web config, the thing we have to change is this one, web home folder or location of the jar file, and the security change to none. So next we go to app config. So this is also the same. Change to our location file, jar file. Also the same for this one, working directory in the Java section. Okay, click apply. And the class path, we have to put star.jar. Click apply. So the next thing we have to know the main class. So my main class is I am not sure yet. Let's try GUIFootball.jar or maybe menu.java. But if there is an error, we know that we might to change the main class here. So after we have configured all these things, we just click enable and we wait for the status to change to running. So after that status has changed to running, we can try it maybe here, new tab. Honestly, I am scared actually. Okay, so alright. As there is an error, so let's try to change the main class here. Maybe it is menu. Okay, please. Okay, apply. Apply, please. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it is running. So let's try it I hope for the last time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, GUI football. So we have to make sure our location and everything is correct. So it is named GUI football. Okay, design RIA because of that one. Okay. Okay. Okay, security model name for web config, just that too. Okay. Okay, web design RIA. So this is maybe my main class. So let's try it again. Alright, all of that has applied already. So let's try it again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, massive achievement for me for 2 weeks. So this is my GUI that I have created. So I have shown you that this is my GUI. So this is my first GUI, and I show it again for the last seconds of the video. Okay, so this is my third GUI. This is my fourth GUI. And finally, this is my last GUI. Show the best team in the world. So it is Tottenham Hotspur. Okay, so this is the best team in the world. My final GUI for this project. So we have already succeeded. Deploy the GUI in the Webswing. Thank you Dr. Sailan. Thank you Iza Farani. Thank you for everyone that helped me. Thank you very much.